My name is Jacky Koh. I'm one of the co-founders, co-CEO of Relevance AI. It's a multi-agent system platform where you can essentially build and customize and deploy AI agents that can collaborate and complete increasingly complex and repetitive work for the humans. Notion is just so beautifully crafted. It's not only beautiful, but it's also incredibly powerful. It's built very much like, there's these different Lego blocks that allow you to build incredibly powerful documentation, things like databases, things like pages. We really enjoy using Notion and have been using it ever since we started the company. Knowledge sharing is actually really critical. We use Notion to just even drop down thoughts and share that with others so that they can drop down further thoughts so that collaboration can happen as quickly as possible. We then turn it into a much more full-fledged documentation so that we can always look back historically or even proactively to figure out what was the decision-making process to actually get to this final decision? How do we onboard new people as well so that they can learn about this decision or even just how it works as well? We use Notion to essentially store and share and collaborate a lot of this knowledge. Relevance is a very horizontal platform, and we allow you to connect the AI agents that you build in Relevance into other platforms. So you can connect Notion MCP or even Notion Agent potentially in the future. A really good example is actually we use Notion MCP internally. Whenever we have a presentation, we would actually have the agent research about the different prospects, but then actually create a Notion doc so that we have talking points to talk about during the meeting. Essentially allow us to document as much as possible, but also to reshare as much as possible as well. So where do I see the synergy between Notion and Relevance? One of the really crucial aspects of getting AI agents to work and getting them deployed into production is honestly humans. You want to have human in the loop. You also want humans to actually distill their knowledge and deep expertise about that task. You want your AI agent to perform like your top employee rather than people that have no context over your business. So that's why the human aspect really comes into play. And it's also ultimately designed for humans as well, because we at Relevance and Notion by extension want to essentially free up a lot of this busy work, this really boring and repetitive work. So by having AI agents to actually help you complete those tasks much more autonomously, you can be freed up to do a lot more unique work that is quite crucial and just make, honestly, work much more enjoyable.